creamed wheat with peanut butter and jelly. So we're gonna add some of these black grapes into a roasting pan with just a tiny bit of water. Cover them up, and we're gonna roast some grapes. 375 degrees for about 30 minutes. While that's cooking, we're gonna make our creamed wheat. 1.5 cups of water, and then a cup of milk. And then a tablespoon of peanut butter. I'm always tempted to put a little bit more in here because I just love it so much. For this recipe, I'm using creamy peanut butter because I want this mixture to be nice and creamy, but then I'm gonna chop up some peanuts later and bring in the crunch later. So I don't want you to think that I'm abandoning the crunchy peanut butter. This is just the right way to do this recipe. All right, so let's whisk this up. We have water, we have milk, and we have peanut butter. We're gonna let this kind of melt. Let the liquid come to a simmer, and I'm chopping up my peanuts. You know, this creamed wheat only takes about 6 minutes, so I'm gonna get all my ingredients ready to go. And I'm going to add a little bit of this grape jelly to my grapes, kind of help with the texture. All right, so we're gonna add the jelly. One thing the jelly does is it adds flavor, but also the pectin in the jelly will actually help thicken it up a little bit. All right, I'm gonna take the black grapes, tin foil off, let them roast a little bit longer. About another 10 minutes or so. All right. And I'm gonna take a 1/2 cup of this creamed wheat. So now we're gonna slowly add our creamed wheat into our simmering peanut butter mixture. Kind of like as if you were making polenta. You have your hot liquid and you slowly add the cornmeal or the polenta into the hot liquid so that it thickens up. Basically, we're doing the same thing. You know, if you didn't want to use the creamed wheat, you could actually use cornmeal. Just let it cook for a lot longer. And then you'd have more like a cornmeal mush, as they call it, or a brunch-style polenta. And this should only take about 4 or 5 minutes to cook and thicken up. Creamed wheat is done. You can smell that peanut butter. It smells great. Let's plate this up. Get our roasted grapes. Those look good. Let's give those a taste. Nice. Okay. So we have our peanut butter flavored cream of wheat. Then we take our grapes, peanut butter and jelly, so to speak, and then our crushed peanuts. And then we're gonna add a little bit of the juices on top. There we go. It smells great. The key to this thing is flavor. You want it to taste good, but at the same time have a lot of nutrition. Lots of protein in here with the peanut butter, but also it's gonna help you get you through your day.